Hello, my name is Manasa, born and brought up in Hyderabad. Coming to my education background, I have completed my graduation in the year 2023 from Usman University. I have got an aggregate percentage of 80% in my graduation. Coming to my family background, we have five members. My father works in film industry as an agent. My mother is a homemaker. I have two siblings, one elder one and younger one. Uh, Coming to my hobbies, uh, gardening, listening to music, and cooking. Coming to my short-term goal, my short-term goal is to get a job in an investment bank, and my long-term goal is to achieve a higher position in the investment banking. And my strengths are I'm a self-motivated person and have good communication and hard worker. Why I choose investment banking? Because as I'm from finance background, I have interested in accounting and financial, which made me to choose this course. Um, okay, now I'm telling about the topic of bonds. Um, what is bonds? A bond is a fixed income security that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower, typically a corporation or government. The borrower agrees to pay back the principal amount, that means the face value of the bond, on a specified maturity date and to make periodic interest payments to the bondholder until the date. The key features of bonds: face value, coupon rate, coupon payments, maturity date, issuer, yield, credit rating. These all are the key features of bonds. What is face value? The face value is the amount paid to the bondholder at maturity. It is usually $1,000 per bond, but can vary. And coming to coupon rate, the interest rate the bond issuer may will pay on the face value of the bond, usually expressed as an annual percentage. Coupon payments, periodic interest payments made to the bondholder. This can be made annually, semi-annually, at other intervals. Maturity date, the date on which the face value of the bond is repaid to the bondholder. Maturities can range from short term less than a year and long term up to 30 years of the more or more. Issuer, the entity that issues the bond, such as government, municipalities, or corporations. Yield, the rate of interest, the rate of return received by the bondholder. This can be different from the coupon rate if the bond is purchased other than its face value. Credit rating, an assignment of the credit, an assignment of the credit worthiness of the bond issued typically provided credit agencies like Moody's Standards and Moody's and Fitch. Higher rated bonds are considered safer but usually over lower yields. Coming to types of bonds, there are many types of bonds: government bonds, corporate bonds, coupon bonds, convertible bonds, high yield bonds, inflation linked bonds, callable bonds, puttable bonds, foreign bonds, and euro bonds. Um, Government bonds, there in government bonds there are be two bonds: treasury bonds and municipal bonds. In treasury bonds, yeah, the treasury bonds issued by the national governments and considered very low risk. In US, these include treasury bills, treasury notes, and treasury bonds. Municipal bonds issued by states, cities, or local governments. Interest rate is often exempt from federal and sometimes states and local taxes. Corporate bonds issued by companies to raise capital. They generally offer higher yield than government bonds, but come with a higher risk. In zero coupon bonds, do not pay periodic interest. Instead, they are issued at a discount to the face value and mature at a particular uh, value. The difference between the purchase price and the purchase value represents the interest earned. Com- Convertible bonds. The convertible bonds can be converted into a predetermined number of the issuing company shares. They combine features of debts and equity securities. High yield bonds issued by entities with a lower credit rating. They offer higher yield to compensate for the increased risk of default. Coming to inflation linked bonds, their uh, their principals and interest rate payments are adjusted for inflation. Example includes U.S. Treasury inflation protected securities. Callable bonds can be redeemed by issuer uh, before the maturity date. It is specified call price. These features benefits is issuer if interest rates declines. Putable bonds give the bondholder the right to sell the bond back to the issuer at the specified price before maturity. This feature benefits the bondholder if interest rates rise. Foreign bonds issued by the foreign governments or companies and denominated in the currency of the country that adjusted for inflation and issued for example include Yankee bonds, US dollars denominated bonds issued by the foreign entities in US. Euro bonds issued in currency other than other currency of the country or market in which they are issued. For example, a bond issued in US dollars but sold outside the US and Euro. Um, Coming to securitization. Puttable bond and callable bond. In callable bond, the issuer in callable bond, अरे నాకు రావట్లేదు. In callable bonds can be redeemed by the issuer before the maturity date at a specified call price. This features benefits of the issuer of the interest rate declines. In puttable bonds, gives the bondholder the right to sell uh, the bonds back to the issuer at a specified price before maturity date. This features benefits the bondholder interest rates rise. What is the face value? Uh, Face value is the amount paid to the bondholder at maturity. It is usually $1,000 per bond, but can vary.